said, I like the new hairstyle. It's a bit of a change. It's good. Change is good.
I'm feeling very refreshed hair. I'm feeling very good. The products are super awesome hair. Like, just good. Way good.
So how you feel? How you feel? How you feel?
Fabulous. I just want to walk around campus and show off my new hairstyle. I'm not going home anytime soon. I wouldn't change it to anyone in the world, even though I was offered $1 million. I'm sorry.
Either way, you've done a fantastic job. I like your products. I like you on Facebook. I think everybody should.
I love my hair. I love the way it looks, the way it feels, and like people's comments about the hair itself. Yeah, that's what I love.
Thank you very much, Easy Way, for doing my hair. I feel good and I look good.
I am my very own scientist stylist. I'm a if you can dream it, you should try it kind of girl. I can't help it. I am happy with my hair short, long, curly, straight, any way I can take it. Which means I have to be strict about the products I use. Easy Wave's Everyday Styling Gel is my go-to jar. It's easy to work with, making sure I get perfect style whatever my mood. I choose Easy Wave's Everyday Styling Gel to create and maintain my style every day. Easy Waves, styling you can see and feel.